Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is display shelvings. Now let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 19.5 inches wide. And the overall height is about like a 53.5 inches tall. And the depth of the unit is about like a 12.5 inches deep. So as we can see, they come with the 4 shelving standings and the wheels at the bottoms. Also, these wheels come with a lockers on it. And let me give the dimension for the basket. The basket will be about like a 1 feet, 12 inches wide, and 17 and 7 and 8 inches long, about 3.5 inches deep. So basically, we can see they have a dividers inside of the basket. So you can just simply to remove it if you need a full sizes. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.